tell me, when you was started your speaking journey, have you faced any kind of trouble? I mean, lot of people they say English bolte ho, English में अंग्रेज बनता है फलाना ढिमकाना, these kind of words. Have you
Yeah.
have you ever faced before
Yes,
the
sir.
starting?
Yeah, already I face a lots of,
Hmm.
I started
Scandals.
my journey in lockdown period about
Hmm.
English language. So I was
Hmm.
thinking like how to improve English language. Then I tried to find a partner, but I wasn't getting any kind of partner, and I don't have any atmosphere, environment. And
Hmm.
I was trying myself about English language, but sometimes I feel too stuck, sometimes I feel too bored. Then I
Hmm.
realized, and I was speaking with in front of people, my friend circle. They always mock with me. They always talk about you done your graduation, then you done your diploma course, but still now you are speaking English language. They always laugh on me. So I was feeling too embarrassed, I was feeling too not good for myself. Then I decided to learn something. Then I make an interest, and I went to I was thinking about just listen more and try to speak more. Doesn't matter you're doing wrong and right, doesn't matter. First thing is speak. Then I decided to speak at least one time, I mean 1 and 2 hour, at least try. Then I
Hmm.
started every day. I do sir practice about my English language. 2 hours continuously I'm speaking with. Every day I
Yeah,
do.
it is very good. Yes.
I started reading, listening, watching, and speaking. Four things are every day I do. Then right now I'm speaking with you. I don't know I'm speaking with you right and wrong. Okay, I don't know,
Yes.
but
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
big. I'm learning seriously. I love it. And
Hmm.
second thing, I learn from your group, sir. WhatsApp group. Seriously, amazing group.
Yeah.
Over there, I realize I build my confidence. I find a lots of people who are learning English language. I joined your group around 4 to 3 months ago, sir. It's amazing. Every day, I connect with those people and talk about new topic, new idea, how to talk English language, how to build a confidence, everything. So I think I'm recommended for everyone about your group. Seriously, it's amazing. Especially
Hmm.
your
Yes.
group,
Yes.
I learned from there
Hmm.
about
Yeah.
English. I
Yeah.
love it.
It's a very beneficial for beginners. If you are a beginner and you just started your journey for just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, okay, so my group will very help you. Okay,
Yes.
so suggest my group to your subscribers, to your viewers, to your friends. If
Okay.
somebody they have really um, agenda, you want to become a fluent, then you must to join my group. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think
Definitely.
the third the actually I was created two groups of my WhatsApp, but recently I created my third group, and I think it seems like full. It seems like full because there is, I think there is 200 people in my
Okay.
third group. So the third group has been become a full. Maybe after 1 week it will
Okay.
become a full. Then I have to create my fourth group. Yeah. But if you want to add a lot of people, so you can suggest my Telegram group. Yeah. In the Telegram group,
Okay.
we can add 10,000, 5,000 people without any kind of restrictions. It's
Okay.
very good. Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry, sir. I will recommend it. I will suggest my
Mm,
your subscriber and
mm,
viewer seriously. Just if you want to improve your English language, then join the
mm.
WhatsApp group. Definitely, you will enjoy. You will satisfy. And this is good way, sir. Connect with stranger people, build a confidence without cost. It's totally free of cost. This is
Yes, yes.
beneficial.
You don't
Yeah.
have to pay any kind of
Yes.
amount like Cambly.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
Camly.
Mhm. So
And
what do you think about Camly? Could you share with your experience with us? Because
yeah, sir. It was
I know
amazing.
after the watch this video, a lot of people they trying to buy Camry subscription. So please aware us what you think on Camry.
Yeah, definitely. I will tell those people. First thing, if you want to improve your communication and you think about I will go, take a plan for my YouTube purpose, especially Camly. So don't go. Just improve yourself and make a video. Believe yourself. Always struggle yourself. don't take any kind of way to improve your subscriber and your YouTube channel like that. So always before a Cambly, just think about like it's good for me or not. Just collect the information and contact proper number. And always I tell you like seriously, without practice we can't improve. If you improve your English language, then you have to practice more every time,
Yes.
anytime. It's very
Mm,
important. And Cambly is
mm,
just like one of software, and over there native tutor available. They will teach you good way. But if you think about like first thing, Cambly is so expensive. We can't afford. So especially beginner, definitely they will also belong to middle class family. They wanted to like learn a English language. So guys, don't go. You can join a WhatsApp group, like any kind of whatever you satisfy, then join. And always I recommended like Vishnu Bhardwaj sir WhatsApp group. Seriously, just join it. Definitely you will improve your English language. And if you talk about my experience on Cambly, it's amazing little bit. Some kind of I face a lots of problem, but it's okay. After all, they are also teaching and we are students. So depend on us like how to get a knowledge from there. So depend on us. So we can't judge any kind things. But
mm.
Cambly is like, good for everyone. If you think about like I want to go with Cambly for learning part, then you can go. But before Cambly, just collect the information, just talk to viewer, talk to subscriber people. What about experience, how it's working, good or bad. So before Cambly, just search out everything, then go with Cambly. It's okay.
Yeah,
So
it's
yeah,
you said right. Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
sir. And always believe yourself, always practice, do hard work. Definitely, see, this is English just a language, sir. We can say just a language, not a knowledge. And English is very sweet
Yeah.
and simple language. Everyone is speaking nowadays. But we have to just struggle a little bit. We have to think about English, do spend a lots of time, then definitely we can improve automatically. I don't know why
Mm,
people are making a complicate and think about English is so tough, because they give up. They always set a mind like I can't do that, it's very difficult for me, vocabulary, grammar part. They don't understand. If we start a normal conversation like hi, hello, how are you, then automatically we can build our mind, gain a lots of vocabulary and knowledge automatically. This is just a language, this is just a conversation. I don't know why people are not trusting, why people are not giving an effort. If you practice, then definitely a language will become automatically in your mind. Any kind of language, not a like English
mm.
especially, any kind of language depend on
Yeah.
practice. Yeah.
So I think Samir video is going to be lengthy, right? So we have
Yes,
to.
sir.
Yeah.
And no
Yeah.
problem, sir. So thank you
Mm.
very much for conversation with me, and I'm happy with you. See you soon. We will meet next. Okay, we will meet soon. Okay, sir. And thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah. It's my
Bye bye.
pleasure, and
Yeah.
thanks for having me. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.